If you are a cloud engineer, AI engineer, or machine learning specialist, and if you want to work in Europe, especially in Germany, then there is a good news for you. Germany's new Skilled Immigration Act for IT specialists makes it easier to immigrate to Germany. From November 2023, yes, in a couple of months this year, IT specialists, especially the ones who specialize in fields like artificial intelligence, generative AI, machine learning, or cloud, will be able to obtain a European Union blue card if they do not have a university degree, but if they can prove they have at least 3 years of comparable professional experience. And then from next year, March 2024, IT specialists' access to the labor market will be further facilitated by reducing the required professional experience to 2 years from three. A professional qualification or university degree is still not required. Language skills are no longer required for visa purposes. So yes, so you don't have to be a German speaking. You can make do with English. From June 2024, the introduction of a job search opportunity card will be there. An opportunity card is to be introduced to enable job seekers to stay in Germany to look for employment. And then these opportunity cards are issued for a maximum of 1 year, provided that the holder is able to support themselves for that period. It primarily allows the holder to do work trials or take up secondary employment for a maximum of 20 hours per week during their stay in Germany. So I believe that this is a great chance for anyone who is looking to relocate to Germany, and if they want to um, really shine in the state of the facilities offered by Germany, especially in terms of artificial intelligence and cloud. I will drop the link to their website in video's description so that you can explore it further. And just a disclaimer, I'm not a migration agent or anything like that. I'm just sharing it because I get a lot of questions around this topic on the channel. Thanks for listening, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.